Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to import an Excel file into Power BI Desktop. This is a fundamental skill for anyone working with data analysis, as it allows you to transform your Excel spreadsheets into powerful interactive visualizations and reports. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to open your Power BI Desktop application. Once you have it up and running, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll find the ribbon menu. Here, click on Get Data. This button is your gateway to connecting Power BI with various data sources, and it's one of the most frequently used features in the application. After clicking Get Data, you'll see a drop-down menu or a dialog box with multiple data source options. From this list, locate and click on Excel Workbook. This tells Power BI that you want to import data specifically from an Excel file, which is one of the most common data formats used in business environments. Now you'll see a File Explorer window open up. Navigate through your folders to find the Excel file you want to import. Once you've located it, click on the file to select it, then click the Open button. This initiates the import process and allows Power BI to read the contents of your Excel file. At this point, you'll need to wait until the import process is complete. The time this takes really depends on the size of your data. If you're working with a large spreadsheet containing thousands of rows, it might take a bit longer, so be patient during this step. Power BI is scanning through all the sheets and data in your Excel file to present you with options. Once the import process is done, you'll see a navigator window displaying your Excel file structure. Here you can view all the available sheets within your workbook. Select the specific sheet you want to import by checking the checkbox next to it. You can actually select multiple sheets if needed. After making your selection, click the Load button at the bottom of the window. Now you'll need to wait again while Power BI processes and loads your data. Just like before, this depends on the data size. Power BI is now bringing your Excel data into its environment and preparing it for visualization and analysis. Once the loading is complete, your imported data will appear on the right side of your screen under the Data section. This is where all your imported tables and datasets live within Power BI. To actually see your data displayed, look at the Visualizations panel and click on the table icon. This creates a table visualization on your canvas. Then from the Data section, you can drag and drop the fields you want to display into this table visualization, and your Excel data will populate it. And that's it. You've successfully imported your Excel file into Power BI Desktop and displayed it in a table format. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.